Where's the wealthiest place in the world? Some may argue China, others will say Dubai, but really, if you think about it, you'll understand it's the graveyard. There you'll find potential overlooked, ideas never realized, talents and abilities the world had never seen before. You either die regretting your life's decisions, or you die knowing you've made a difference in other people's lives. You die knowing that you've left a legacy behind. You got to understand, each and every one of you were put on earth for a reason. Right now, believe it or not, everyone's writing a story. Each and every one of us is writing a story. Our life is like a book. Every day is a page, and every year is a chapter. We're either growing as individuals or staying in the same place. And trust me, no one on earth wants to read a book with one page. That isn't interesting at all. That lacks creativity. Do something with yourselves. Create your own legacy and watch the world fold right before your eyes.